Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the alts. Well, not so much the alts I think today, but we're going to cover a few. So hope you are doing very well. Hope you have been able to trade this boring Bitcoin correctly, because yes, we're a bit range bound at the moment. For me, this kind of triangle, we're going to update everything. First of all, normally, yeah, the sound is working well. Just gonna double check. Yes, it is the microphone. Perfect. Good. Sorry, so Bitcoin, so since the last update it was here, so we have planned two different shorts before the big one above, so to speak. The big one above is this one here. Don't know what this short is. Well, there you go, this one here. So this was the big short, we have planned. So Valera low, path control, anchor view up here from the all-time high. This is a very, very, very big short, but within this range, we've got, first of all, a possible fake out here of this. That was a range basically here live in the time. We've got a reclaim, well, the first drop here, another reclaim, and here we started to print some big bullish activity. So as I said in Discord, really, if you want to stay updated, make sure to join it. This is very important. Again, I'm saying this for you, not for me. I'm doing my thing on my side, otherwise it's all good. But if you want to stay updated, make sure to join. It's there basically. Where was this? But this Bitcoin is taking its time, bit of bearish activity at the highs at the moment. We'll expect that to play out if we lose 87.5. So this will play out if we start breaking 87.5. What we didn't, we didn't do that. So we just formed some big, well, on a lower time frame, some bullish activity, and so this bullish activity gave the new high basically. So it was here. So overnight we've got the new high. We ended up here in a front run of this point of control. That was basically the next target here we had planned. So it was this path control. So a bit of a front run, but again, it's possible to trade the front runs. Just gonna get rid of that. From that front run, personally I took a scalp short. I'm kind of doing a bit of a summary before to go with and update the plan. And so yeah, we've got this lovely continuation to the downside here. We've got many retests. Even by the way, overnight we've got a retest. We've got another retest yesterday. We have a very nice continuation, to be honest with you, on this short trade. And I also told you, by the way, that I was taking the long, so I gave you this key level here. That was the key level there. We've got another, so front run at the top, front run here. But as I said, long trade is taken off this key level, and you've got the two targets. So first of all here, the Valera low. And next this nice zone of resistance. So it was basically the 61886%. Okay, with a path control here, that was the main resistance. Bit of a rejection of the Valera low at first, but well, still open, as I say, still in the long trade. Okay, and if we drop more, the short will cover the loss, because I'm going to sleep, so I don't want to manage this anymore. And we've got this lovely continuation overnight, sorry. So wake up at the Elliott, took profit, set my stop on entry, and next overnight we've got this lovely continuation for another front run of the DNPOC. That was the next target given yesterday, basically. You've got, first of all the key level. If the key level is broken, we can look for the DNPOC below. So we move from front run to front run. That's pretty, well, a bit annoying, but well, still possible to trade normally. So yeah, let's update all of this. Oops, remove the view up. That was not the thing to do. There you go. So first of all, let's hide this for the moment. Sorry for the noise in the background, by the way. Let's get rid of these. Come on. This here, this one here. Sorry, these are my cats playing around. No, wait. Sorry. Water spray is pretty nice. Alright, so let's go to the daily time frame. Nothing here, so let's go on Excel charts here. Do we have any naked session path control at the low here? Well, okay. 84,830. So let's get rid of that one here. So they said NSPOC 84,930, yeah? 830. Good, alright, then TPO we have none. Have a poor high here above. So we might go take this high, to be honest with you. 92,487.5. Good, and let's try here on the TX1. Yeah, the same. Alright, well, this is done. This is updated. Okay, so let's go here on the order flow. Didn't check out at all what's happened basically overnight, so let's have a look at this. So yesterday, basically, so you've got a lot of shorts here closing at the very top. And can we see? No, we cannot really see. Let's go on the 5 minutes here, just to explain the reaction at the top here. So you can see, so first of all, a lot of shorts closing. You have some positive data plus a decreasing of your Pinterest. A lot of longs opening still also at the very top. You can see here we have almost 20 millions there coming in. So positive data and increasing of your Pinterest. And yeah, so mainly a lot of shorts closing here. Okay, then some longs. You have then some big shorts starting to defend, some big shorts closing again, and from here you have a big amount of shorts again opening. Okay, so you have like 11 million of shorts coming in that really move the market lower and right on the Asia close and London open. So you have a lot of shorts coming in. So from the front run up, this is very important, from the front run of our target. Okay, so you have all this data before, so you still have some longs to trap. Bit of shorts here trying to defend to move this down, few shorts closing again, and some new shorts opening. What's happening next is basically you have some big longs. You can see here 20. This is very big. What happened at the top here? You have 20 million of longs that open really at the top, and this, if you pay attention, you have what now? A high. Okay, you have a high, a lower high. You can see here into this candle you've got the 20 million of longs, high, lower high, and here you have a high on the right. So all these longs you can see are unable to push the price higher, and we talk about 20 million, so this is pretty big. So when this happens, and moreover this, you have some shorts following next, this is really not bullish at all. the reason basically for the execution of the short trade here. And next you've got, again, normally some, well, few longs there, but still some big longs come in, wrecked. You can see again, some longs there opening 7 million, 3 million, 2 million, 2 million, 3 million. I mean, all of these got wrecked again. And overnight here, I don't know what happened, but you've got another, as you can see, a 4.8 million, 5 million here coming in, all wrecked. And so what's happened there? You've got many shorts at the lows, all right. But do you have any absorption there? Not really, right? Okay. Well, mainly some longs getting wrecked. Do we have any absorption down there? Not really. And we have a crazy weak move up here. Wow, that was very complex too long. But yeah, literally nothing in here coming in. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So in that case, you might get something better of the retest if we have to raise and go take the pro high up here. Yeah, up here. So let's see here, do we have any big bullish CVD? Alright, yeah, makes sense. Now we have a low, high, low, 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 low. And so from here, what we have on the 30 minutes, some shorts, mainly some shorts. Sorry, I'm checking the order for live because I didn't got time to do this before, basically. So this can help to make the plan next. Yeah, big bullish CVD now with, just to confirm, but yeah, some shorts. Some shorts. Well, the best thing will be here to do something like this. Okay, so can't remember, we got this yesterday at some point. Where was this? Yeah, you can see these are some pretty easy long to take, to be honest with you. Again, sometimes we do get the flip to support, sometimes not. Okay, that's the thing. But yesterday you can see we've got the exact same price action on the lower time frame here. Okay, there and here, this is the exact same price action. So to speak, we'll have a rise, we'll have a consolidation, and this consolidation is basically a triangle like this. You can see very simply what happened next. You break this out, you flip into support, or if you're bearish, get acceptance back inside and reverse fully. So here it's very simple. You have this, oh hello you have this triangle. The best way here to get the break to the upside, flip into support. See here if we manage to flip it into support, or if we get acceptance back below. If we get acceptance back below, it can even give a short trade. If we manage to break out, flip into support and hold, then that's a long trade, and we can look for this nice continuation next to the upside. And we can look for the best will be to go and take this high for a, well, to just take this poor high, basically. As simple as that. Okay, that will be the plan, basically. So with a bullish activity here, I will not be surprised for this to rise. Now we just have to make the plan, so to speak, find the resistance. So we still have this short in play above. Okay, that will be the best. Oh, that's a long trade. We still have this short up here because we have a poor high above, so we can just take the high once more and come back down. Again, if we get nothing bearish in there, I don't have any limits up here. If we go in here and get nothing bearish on the order flow, again, we have to read this line at a time to make the decision, such as, for example, yesterday, as I said, yeah, here long trade is taken because the reaction was nice. Okay, rejected here the Valderado first of all, but still in the long trade, as I say, still in the long, because, well, this was some good data, right? So why would you close a short? Can be a flip to resistance here and drop again, but well, that's a valid long. So we've got a continuation. So yeah, based on the order flow, we can make some informed decision, basically. If we have, well, we know more likely, and it's impossible to know 100% if we have or not to take the trades, but we can. It helps a lot, basically. So yeah, we'll see what's the reaction there line at a time. If there is nothing bearish, we can look for the big short we have planned above. Okay, and that will be also a massive fake out of this triangle. Okay, don't know if you remember this price action we've got in 2022. So let's go on this. Where are we right now? No, this is really after that. No, it was before this. Wait, I'm lost in the notes again before that. There you go. Here, this price action is, well, the start was a bit, the start here was a bit like the same. Okay, this kind of triple wave, then you have a kind of sideways down, then you have another triple wave up. Now it start to not really follow anymore this kind of in the price action. Okay, we don't have this kind of quick move down and stuff like that. But the price action, if you take this here and apply this price action on the current price action, to be fair, this is, well, not exactly and perfectly the same, but it's looking the same. I'm coming in a few minutes. Look. So yeah, you have this kind of triple wave first of all, then you have the sideways down. Go and take the previous bottoms, exactly what we have done here. Okay, next you have the increase in price, so not as quick as before. The other drop, bit of consolidation here, pump and dump, and then you go take the overall top. Okay, take the overall high and come back down. So this, it matched perfectly, you know, the short trade we have planned above. So not this one here, but the big short above. This is a long trade. The big short right here above we have planned. Okay, into the big zone of resistance basically. So that would be nice to get something like, maybe get another thing like this, go take the highs, and maybe take, you know, SFP here, come back below and drop basically. Okay, that would be really something, that would be nice, not gonna lie, right? That will be the same price action. Again, we're not going to do it perfectly the same. As you can see, we don't have exactly the same movements, but it's looking like this, right? So I'll be aware of this, not saying we're going to do this, but I will be aware of it. Yeah, so basically there's only two short targets I can see due to the poor high we're having here. The best way to go and take the high, so we have this short within this range. If there is nothing here, new high made basically, and what I just told you. If you want to be very aggressive, but again I will not, to be honest with you here, because well, you have a poor high above here, so it's likely we're going to take it. But if you want to be aggressive, jeez, what are they doing again? Anyway, so you can just take the long of this triangle. Okay, so you wait for the breakout, flip into support, and upon the flip to support here, you can take the long trade to ride this up. So to speak, that's a long. You can get this long trade here up to the short targets basically. And if we go for a new all-time high, so yeah, that is the plan. If we drop more from here, the only target for a long is for me this Valorello and DNPOC, so the target I gave yesterday basically. So we do have a long trade of this DNPOC. If we just, for example, break out here to the upside, okay, you have the triangle, break to the upside, fail to hold this as support, so come back inside. In that case, you can take a short trade and write this down, so you can look for the bottom first of all for a take profit. If we get nothing bullish in here, look for a continuation and look for this nice possible long target. Again, please be aware of that all these long targets are very low in terms of confluence. The best now would be to go and swipe the lows. That would be the best. As simple as that basically. Okay, so yeah, that's it for Bitcoin, to be fair. The wave, nothing changed, just something in case we have to make something range bound. That will be the exact same, you know, it's the WXYXNZ we have played in the last update, but if we have to make something a bit more complex, this will be the same price action, you know, I just show you back in 2022. That will be a WXY and the X have a triangle. But anyway, so WXY like this to complete the WXYXNZ. So the second X wave of the WXYXNZ. That would be the best, and then go, you know, into the one-to-one extension of the Z wave. So yeah, that will be the plan really if we are in a range bound price action. As simple as that. Otherwise, nothing more to add on Bitcoin. Just very quickly here to cover the alts. We've got planned yesterday, where I posted that, yeah, here we go. We've got Air, a possible long trades of this long target, and you've got METIS. Well, to be fair, all the alts, but the main one I was looking at was Air and METIS. So you've got this nice target here on METIS, and everything happened overnight. It sucks, but anyways, that's a game. So we've got, yeah, this, well, drop inside, reclaim, flip into support, continuation, and METIS got the lovely target. It was here yesterday. We've got the big drop right into our target, and bam, but it was again, you can see at 2 AM, 2 AM, so I was in the bed at that time. So it sucks, but well, it's like that. Hope you have been able to trade this. Just gonna go here on the lower time frame, see, jeez, these AWAPs. There you go. Well, again here, the best way to, you know, to break out, come back here, flip to support, and get the bounce here to jump in the long trade, so I did not miss this. But well, sometimes we break out and never come back down. that's the problem. Sometimes we break out and get acceptance back inside, so we have to see what Bitcoin is doing at the same time. But we have this possible long trade if we manage to do this. Same as, I guess, on the no, not this. Same on the year, I think. Well, it'll be this here. Not the best, that one. Gonna have a look at the order flow. Oh, by the way, we have some news today, some important news at 2:30 PM UTC +1 and 6 PM UTC +1. Just so you know. I like the non-firm payrolls at 2:30 UTC +1. This is moving the market. And you have the Fed at, oh, by the way, it's not 6, it's 6:30, by the way. I think I added the wrong alarm on my side. Oh, no, I did the good one. Just didn't remember. So yeah, 6:30 UTC +1, the Fed. And both are moving the market, the Fed and the first news I gave, non-farm payrolls. So yeah, let's go on the 30 minutes. Whoa. And let's go with 10, I guess. We don't care about the typicals here. Big bullish CVD, alright. And you have a strong, oh wow, yes, this is good. And a big bullish CVD here. I will take the long. Problem is now we are breaking out. We have, well, the problem is we've got this bullish CVD forming, and now we are breaking out. So it's not looking that strong at the moment, to be honest with you, to the upside here. Sorry, I'm thinking. Let's go on the 15 minutes here. Oh yeah, okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna take the long then. So taking the long on a year. Where is a year? Here, nice. Again, no financial advice. Just 1 second, please. Oh Jesus, forgot about this. All right. So well, I guess you can do the same on METIS, to be honest with you, but I do prefer the setup on a well, yeah. Now the target is basically the daily level. I guess you have a bit of resistance still, yeah. So it's a bit aggressive. Well, this is longing the breakout. This is not good at all, but order flow is good. Bitcoin have a poor high up here. Again, it's very aggressive. The best will have been to wait for Bitcoin to break this up, flip into support, and up on the flip to support. Then yes, we can look for the continuation here. So that will be the best. So this is very aggressive. If you want to play it safe, simply do the same. I'm not going to play it safe personally because, well, I will have to take this to the long here, basically, limited time. But this was happening at night, so now I prefer to... Well, I really don't like to jump in late like this. But, well, let's give it a try, right? In any case, risk management as always, it's fine. Alright, so we're done with the alts. And we're live for... Oh, geez, 28 minutes again. This is so long. I mean, too long. Good morning, mate. What are you looking for? Ask a confirmation in order to take a short at the week highs. Well, I gave an example already. I don't know when this message was posted, so I'm not reading the chat a lot. We'll have to check this a little bit more. But I gave an explanation. If you go at the very beginning, by the way, of the video, I gave an explanation. Well, not the very beginning, but around the first minutes, I gave an explanation on the top here. Yeah. The silence around sleep makes me even more bullish. Please no advertisement, mate. So either increase of open interest and negative delta and new shorts, or just lack of new longs opening, no increase of your... Yeah, new shorts. But to reverse the reaction, we want the new shorts. No, we just don't want only new shorts at the top, because otherwise this is going to fail the market to push higher, right? Because at the resistance you want to get normally some longs trapped to fail the market to go lower, right? Because in trading you take the others' money, or just lack, yeah, of new longs opening. So yeah, weakness also, you can look for this. No increase and positive delta. Lack of new longs. No, it's open interest decreasing and negative delta. These are some ways. Well, basically, so this. These are some shorts closing, for example, here. Decrease of the open interest plus positive delta. There are some shorts closing, so it can be some shorts getting liquidated, some shorts getting wrecked. Take profits on the shorts closing manually, basically. What are they doing again? If you have an increase of the open interest and positive delta, there are some new market or longs joining the market. If you have an increase of the open interest plus a negative delta, there are some new shorts opening, new market or shorts. And if you have a decreasing of the open interest plus a negative delta, there are some longs taking profit, closing, basically closing, getting liquidated, all of this basically, but just no new longs basically. Okay. There are some longs closing when it's a negative delta and a decrease of the open interest. Yeah, what do you think of Bitcoin here in order flow now? Yeah, so they say this is more likely bullish. Oops. Well, there you go. We are getting the breakout now, and that's a brilliant breakout, by the way. That's very good for the AR long. Nice, unless of well, we had 25 million. Jesus, that's a lot of longs. Yeah, so this is very bullish again, as is what I said before. Now again, if you want to long this, yeah, that's very good. Oh, by the way, I wanted to do this first of all before to end live. Alright. Ah, come on. So the target for me will be this. okay, for a first take profit. If we manage to reclaim this, I'm gonna look for a new high, and then we can see what's going on really at the new high. Do we get anything bearish? For example, here we, get nothing bearish here. Go for a new high. Bitcoin is, for example, hitting a short target, and we get something very bearish, a very bearish reaction. So I'm going to simply take profit like 50%. And if we start getting acceptance back below, I'm gonna fully close, to be honest with you. Now, if Bitcoin hit a target, get nothing bearish, continue straight to the next target, well, in that case, we're either going to consolidate and wait for Bitcoin to be bearish to, into the higher target we have planned, the above target. So this one here, okay. Here, and then it's gonna drop with Bitcoin. So I'm gonna take profit. But if again we just break all the resistance on Bitcoin, we keep pushing up and up and up and up. I mean, there is no reason to take profit, look for a short, so I'm gonna give the target next. For now, it's a bit early to plan this. I'm gonna remain with these targets, right? Yeah. So let's see here if Bitcoin can do the, flip to support. Was looking for, where was this? I draw that, no? I didn't. No, I didn't. All right, so well, it's here. Gonna do it here, so to speak. Get this kind of not the best triangle, but anyways, so to speak, we get this kind of flip to support and continuation. That will be the best for an easy long trade, not longing the breakout. Problem is, if we start coming back below here, to be honest with you, this might wreck the longs. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is a very good breakout. This is a very, very, very good breakout. Nice. So yeah, I'd prefer not to come back down to do a retest. Well, if we do so, we have to see if the longs are getting wrecked, if they're defending all of this limited time. But yeah, so that is it for me for today. Just gonna check the chat once more. My pleasure, mate. Yep, absolutely. We can only see longs walking. So yeah, don't forget the news today at 2:30 again, 2:30 p.m. UTC +1 and sorry, 6:30 UTC +1. Sorry. Wishing you all a brilliant day ahead. Have a nice weekend also. We are Friday. Again, I'm always lost in the days. Yes, we're Friday. So have a brilliant weekend ahead. Take care of you. If you want to stay updated, make sure to join the Discord server. Very important. If you have any alts requests, you can also go into the alts request. Otherwise, I completely forgot to mark this and read. So this morning, but you can go into the alts request section here and simply submit your request, right? I'm going to next post the TAs into the alts TA section here. For example, CKB, updated that, LTC, all of this, I'm going to post the TAs in there. Yeah, and if you want to get the update on Bitcoin, for example, get such targets on METIS and AR, for example, so you could take the long, basically limited time, now wait for the update. Well, you got everything, and all of this again is free in Discord, so make sure to join it. Saying this for you, not for me. I have my plans wider than my ideas, so yeah, it's for you. Anyways, have a brilliant day ahead, take care, and catch you all on Monday or over the weekend in Discord. Cheers.